Let us see in this video some more examples of even and odd functions. So we are going to look into these three functions that I have here, f of x, g of x, h of x, and we need to decide if they are even, odd, or neither. Okay, functions don't have to be necessarily even or odd. They could just be neither of those, okay? So for the first one, f of x, you can now pause the video and try by yourself, but I will do the first one, f of x. Remember what we needed to check in the definition actually is f of negative x equals, let's see what we get, negative x squared divided by negative x to the power 4 plus 1, correct? But if I take the square of a negative number, I get the number squared, x squared, divided by x to the power 4 plus 1, because it's an even power. And this is f of x. So what does this mean? This means f of x is even. Okay. Let us check g of x. The function g of x, what I actually need to check is if g of negative x is minus g of x. So this is the sine of minus x divided by negative x squared plus 4. So this is minus the sine of x divided by x squared plus 4. You see, and the minus, the negative sign is multiplying everything else. So I get minus g of x. So then g of x is odd. Okay, remember symmetric respect to the origin, about the origin. And then f of x was even, that means symmetric about the vertical axis. We have only one more to go. Now I copy this one so that I can scroll. So when I check h of negative x, what I'm going to get is negative x to the power 2 divided by negative x to the power 3 plus 1. And this is x squared divided by minus x to the power 3 plus 1. And this is not equal to h of x. And this is also not equal to negative h of x. So this is it. It's neither odd nor even. For this third exercise, we could have just checked in a point and see if it fails at one point. That's it. We don't need to check anything else. We could have checked, for example, what happens at negative 2. So at negative 2, we have negative 2 squared divided by negative 2 to the power 3 plus 1. So that is 4 divided by minus 8 plus 1. So this is minus 4 divided by 7. On the other hand, if I put h of 2, this is 2 squared divided by 2 to the power 3 plus 1. So this is 4 divided by 9. And these two are clearly different. Okay, so what we said, neither odd nor even.